Rhino and I are a couple of cowboys looking for a comeback.
We both got knocked on our butts in the Super 9.
Tiger, Banana, and Rhino are in the bottom 3.
Partner, every time this banana is up against the ropes, I bounce back. Ever since a massive injury I suffered, my memory hasn't been the same. That's why I write the lyrics on my hands. I'm a scrappy banana.
In the past, I put on a lot of pressure to myself to succeed, and that's when I flopped the hardest. With all the competition in the Super 9, I tried to do too much on stage. So tonight, I'm taking things nice and slow. I know Banana's a fighter, but heck, I'm a fighter too. And I've taken on much worse in my time. One thing is clear though.
There's only room on this stage for one of us. Yeah!